Milk is that one thing which has never left our diet. We have been consuming it in some or the other way since our very childhood. However, what a lot of people don't know is how wonderfully it works on the skin too. Milk contains lactic acid, which is known to whiten the skin. It also contains fatty acid, which moisturizes the skin. If this intrigues you, here are different ways through which you can use milk on your skin. These will help in maintaining the skin appear fair and rejuvenated. Different ways to use milk for a fair skin. Milk cleanser for fair skin. When used in its raw form, milk works as an excellent cleanser. Using it as a cleanser also brings out a natural glow and fairness. Mixing 1 teaspoon of powdered mung beans with 1 tablespoon of milk and using it on the skin cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. Let it sit on your skin for 10 minutes and then scrub it out for deep cleanse. Milk toner for fair skin. There is a lot of debate that goes around not using milk as a toner as it invites acne. However, it is the boiled counterpart which causes damage and not the raw kind. Milk comes with an abundance of fat which moisturizes the skin while nourishing it. It adds firmness and also tones the facial tissues. Just dip a cotton ball in milk, squeeze excess and apply it on the skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse off. Milk moisturizer for fair skin. Raw milk is most famous for its skin smoothing factor. Its healthy fats penetrate deep into the skin and conditions the pores. An excellent moisturizer for winters. Milk can treat the driest of dry skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 tablespoon mango butter, 1 teaspoon coconut oil and 2 tablespoons olive oil to make your homemade moisturizer. Apply it on your skin and massage till the skin absorbs it. Milk as a fairness agent. It is scientifically proven that milk can help in adding fairness to the skin. Milk keeps a check on your trypsin, a melanin hormone which can cause skin darkness. Using milk directly on the skin and letting it sit for 10 minutes will do the job. Just mix 2 tablespoons of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it on your skin and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off and pat the skin dry. Milk for sunburn. Burns can cause the skin to go dark. Milk is an excellent ingredient to treat that while soothing the skin. All you have to do is soak a cloth in some milk and refrigerate it for half hour. Take it out, squeeze the excess and apply it directly on the burn. Milk for aging spots. Milk comes packaged with lactic acid, which is also known to repair the skin damage. The biggest damage that it fights is the aging signs. Milk helps in renewing collagen of the skin which fades the aging spots. You can mix 1 tablespoon of milk with 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil and apply it on your skin. Let it sit overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Like, share and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button on your YouTube app to never miss an update from Glow Pink.